Dr. Dunu, an associate professor of mass communication, Anambra University, Oka, was at the IMS to anchor a one-day media workshop on gathering and packaging news stories related to children, women, and people living with disabilities, sponsored by the European Union as part of its support for democratic governance in Nigeria. Commending the IMS for redefining its presence in digital broadcasting and online strength, the IMS consultant said that the selection of the establishment, along few other media outlets for the training, lent huge strategic benefits for the attainment of professional precision.
We have about 30 or more of his staff that we are going to benefit today from this program. The station has gone digital. The station is no longer restricted to terrestrial broadcasting, and it is not just ABS radio as we used to know it here. It is now ABS radio and television, and all the programs are being online. And in this capacity, I think that they are strategic for more capacity building and support from other agencies.
The ABS boss, Chief Nwora, described the training as a precious media opportunity for the staff of the organization and commended the IMS and the European Union for bridging the gap between professional media practice and human capacity development.
I want to also appreciate IMS. This organization has benefited, I think, in the past. Yes, we appreciate you. And also the EU, for funding and supporting this project. What is happening today in terms of the capacity building that if you will be leading today is very good. And I expressed the hope that in the future, IMS may consider also lending on support because now we're talking about media convergence, isn't it? And to see how our staff can benefit in the area of digital content development, and of course there are also other areas in life skills, teamwork, research skills.
In Oka, Daniel Ezigwe, ABS News.